Namaskar. Welcome to your daily current affairs revision for competitive exams. This content is based on verified news sources. I am going to cover 7 important topics in the next 8 minutes. Let us dive right in. What happens when the government cracks down on illegal gambling and betting platforms? The center has blocked about 300 websites and applications for allegedly running illegal gambling and betting operations. This takes the total number of prohibited websites to nearly 8,400. The banned entities include sports betting portals, casino platforms, and real money cards and casino game applications. The Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act came into force last year, aiming to shield citizens from the menace of online money games while promoting and regulating other kinds of online gaming activities. This topic is relevant for GS2, Polity and Governance, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Government Policies and Interventions. Key takeaways: 300 illegal platforms blocked. Total prohibited websites nearly 8,400. Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Act. How are MSMEs contributing to India's defense sector? MSMEs and startups are playing a crucial role in strengthening India's defense manufacturing ecosystem. The National Defense Industries Conclave 2026 discussed advanced manufacturing technologies and industry participation in defense production. The government aims to achieve 50,000 crore rupees worth of defense exports and 3 lakh rupees crore worth of defense production by 2030. The all-time high allocation of 7.85 lakh rupees crore to the Ministry of Defence in the Union Budget 2026-27 provides an opportunity for MSMEs and startups. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Defense Manufacturing and Exports. Key takeaways: MSME's role in defense manufacturing. Target of 50,000 crore rupees defense exports. 7.85 lakh rupees crore defense budget. What is the current status of mangrove conservation in India? The Supreme Court has refused to interfere with the Bombay High Court order allowing the removal of 45,675 mangrove trees for the proposed Versova Bhayandar coastal road. The project will have a significant and beneficial impact on the general public as it will decongest the Western Highway. However, the removal of mangroves has raised environmental concerns. This topic is relevant for GS3, Environment and Ecology, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Conservation of Mangroves. Key takeaways: removal of 45,675 mangrove trees. Versova Bhayandar Coastal Road Project. Environmental concerns. What is the latest development in microfinance in India? The government has launched a 20,000 crore rupees credit guarantee plan for microfinance institutions, MFIs. This plan aims to promote financial inclusion and support small borrowers. The plan is expected to benefit microfinance institutions and small borrowers, promoting financial inclusion and economic growth. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is connected to the syllabus topic of microfinance and financial inclusion. Key takeaways: 20,000 crore rupees credit guarantee plan. Microfinance institutions. Financial inclusion. Who is Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi and why is she in the news? Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi was a brave queen who fought against the British during the revolt of 1857. She is remembered for her courage and sacrifice. Union Home Minister Amit Shah paid tribute to Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi on her Martyrdom Day, acknowledging her contribution to India's freedom struggle. This topic is relevant for GS1, History and Culture, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Indian freedom struggle. Key takeaways: Rani Avanti Bai Lodhi's bravery. Revolt of 1857. Tribute by Amit Shah. What are the other important news updates? The growth of the Combined Index of 8 Core Industries, ICI, slowed to 2.3% in February. The 8 core industries comprise over 40% of the weight of items included in the Index of Industrial Production. Other news updates include the agreement between NPC and the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and the release of the Global Terrorism Index 2026. This topic is relevant for GS3, Economy, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Industrial Growth and Index. Key takeaways: 2.3% growth of ICI. 8 core industries. Global Terrorism Index 2026. What is the current debate on India's foreign policy regarding Iran? A debate is ongoing in India about foreign policy, particularly regarding the government's stance on the Israeli-American war on Iran. The deliberate decision not to condole the assassination of Iran's supreme leader has come in for criticism. Foreign policy is an instrument in the hands of the government to protect and promote the country's national interests. The government must explain its decisions to the people, considering the delicate balance between development and environmental protection. This topic is relevant for GS2, International Relations, and is connected to the syllabus topic of Foreign Policy and Diplomacy. Key takeaways: India's Iran stance. Foreign policy debate. National interests. That's all for today's current affairs. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for daily updates. All the best for your preparation.